Uh, so you see, this is my first video, and this is going to be my new YouTube channel, and I might upload something. If I'm bored, I'll see. I don't know. But anyways, I got something to tell you. It's like this thing I discovered, and it's pretty cool. Okay. So if you know the chapter straight lines, there's some formula for like something to do with the centroid, orthocenter, and the circumcenter. I bet you don't know it. You don't know it, okay? 100% sure you don't know it, like the formula. I mean, you might have forgotten, I don't know. But there's this cool way to remember it. Okay, so here it goes. So suppose you have a triangle, right? A triangle has 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then like, so we need to find out, we need to find out the ratio between G, H, and O. I think this is the circumcenter, this is the orthocenter, this is the, this is the centroid, G is the centroid. Yeah. Okay, well, anyways, so what you want to do is like imagine these 2 points. Now what you want to do is take this point to infinity like that, and slowly take these 2 points in. So like, what is the triangle going to look like? See, like if we squish these 2 points and pull this up, this is what we get. A more like squished up triangle. So like, suppose I just tend this thing to infinity. Now let's try to calculate the centroid for this new triangle. Now suppose this length is L, even though extremely large, let's call it L. So we know the centroid is like it's like the weighted average, okay? Is the weighted average of all of these. So if you do that, you'll get L into 1 into like 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 L by 3. I mean, that's obvious, right? Like the centroid is going to be at L by 3. So let's make this length, and that's L by 3. Wow, wonderful. So you got the centroid, we got this. Now we have like the orthocenter and the and the circumcenter. Okay, let's do the circumcenter first. So suppose you make a circle and like you have these points. Now like if you keep squishing these two together, you find out like that this L, right? It has become the diameter of this like really big circle. It's approximately like the diameter. So the center of a circle will be at its half, so it's going to be L by 2. So basically we get the circumcenter at L by 2. Okay, so that's pretty neat, because like as you tend it upwards, it's almost a straight line. But yeah, and the center, what's it called? Yeah, circumcenter. Yeah, circumcenter, it's at half the length. So yeah, we got that. And now we just left with, what's this one? Yeah, orthocenter, yeah. So orthocenter, I think you need to imagine the perpendiculars. So suppose the perpendicular, yeah, like this and like this. Imagine now you're squishing it together. So like, if you have this is the perpendicular, and you squish it together, this point, it again tends to here, like to the bottom. Okay, so yeah, so the bottom, that's the bottom, that's the orthocenter. So neat. So like this so-called triangle, which is just a line, we marked all 3 points on it. And given that this relation is true for like any triangle, yeah, this is just a verification, by the way, for you to remember it. Yeah, so given the fact that this is true for like any triangle, we can call this a triangle as well, like a really long line technically. So like, yeah, we know everything about it, we just calculated it. This is gonna be the circumcenter, yeah, circumcenter O. This is gonna be the centroid, yeah, centroid. This is gonna be the centroid, and this is gonna be the orthocenter. So yeah, there you go, you get it. This is the ratio. So you get H, wait, yeah, H G O in the ratio L by 3 to L by 6. So like L by 3, L by 6. Yeah. So yeah, just you got it now, right? H G O. It's like 2:1. Pretty sure this is correct. I mean, yeah, it should be. Yeah. And yeah, there you go. I mean, I know this is like super long and you would just rather remember the formula, but like if you do this like a couple of times, you don't need to remember it. You can just do this and you'll never forget it. Because in the exam, like when you're writing the exam, I mean, you want to know what the orthocenter is, and like, so you're like O and O. So like the orthocenter should be O, because from your formula G divides O. G divides O, HO, not HOE. You're like O orthocenter, but no, that's not it. So like, yeah, you're like, yeah, shit. Then what's G and H, and then you get all mumbled and jumbled. So if you remember this, yeah, you'll never forget it. Yeah, like 100% sure. Yeah, that's it. Bye.